Enkuyanja y'abantu baikahacha icyishomero rya Nyadri Urban Primary School mu district ya Maracha okwakira President wabashendekerezi bo mukazi we Mama Janet Kataha Museveni. Mama Janet yashaba abanya-Uganda okujira okwatanisa bakakorera hamwe ahawe entunguka y'ebyanga byabo.
Because our population is becoming bigger by the year, that's why we must now build more schools, more health centers, because our people are too many now for what has been done so far.
Harukugambaho n'abantu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yashaba abantu okuruga Maracha kwijuka hibarugire no kukorera obusinge obubino bwa hati kandi barukwesiga NRM.
First one is what all of you talked about a little while ago, the one of peace. NRM has been able to bring peace to this part of Uganda for the first time in 500 years. So for us, we don't do things just because of politics, wanting to please people even when things are wrong. It's very dangerous. Cheap popularity.
Ogu yabajangu bine kwebembeza entunguka omu West Nile na mnonga enguto erukuruga Karuma okuza Koboko.
So that's why we have been able to bring a very strong current from Karuma now, 132 kV all the way to here.
SARSI NRM government Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bajidi atia mavu West Nile yade abo KVA turualu kalina niri adi atio opondendere batu azidriangani basangadi yodisi.
President yajangwa shonga y'amashanyarazi etwire neteganiso mwanya ogu neija kukorwaho.
We were telling people that the power will come, but let's move according to the plan.
Kini andra ati opaperi irgata amavu aruara amavu West Nile yara amavu titanuti bela manutizu pere atirini fasi chazode.
Powerful electricity has now come. Now the work is to distribute it to the sub-counties.
Maracha ina mashomero kaga na abiri ga government kandi yarabrabo abarukushomesa barukurubatirira enkora yabona bashome.
And President Museveni wants to ensure that no child will be left behind. Every Ugandan child of school-going age must get education.
Yabashaba okukora ekirukubasika kurebuka ngo barugumbuoro kandi yabashaba kumuha akaruuru gashakwa nitatukunda.